What's up, y'all? Welcome back to the channel. My name is Wes, and today I'm going to be taking down these LED strip lights in my room. These LED strip lights are Tenremo lights I got from Amazon, which I set up about 2 years ago now, but as you can see, there is some discoloring here. For example, this red. If I were to go to the blue, it's really missing a huge chunk of this color blocking right here. And just another quick example, it will turn red. Let me show you a different angle real quick. So as you can see here, a lot of the blue is missing. It's really turned red. Just indicates that the light bulb has burned out. And let's see here, if I were to go to purple, still the same. If I were to go to white, you can see that it's turned purple, red, yellow, and white, which is super odd. I really just need a new set of these lights. Let's see here, yellow. Okay, sometimes it really just doesn't even listen to me anymore, but let's try to go to red. Nope. All right, we gotta power this off. There we go. Let's go to red. Red looks good just because whenever a light does power out, it turns red or goes blank. So let's just go back here. So we are going to try the hairdryer method. Apparently, if you heat the adhesive in the LED strip light, it'll make it softer and easier to rip off. And I ain't trying to rip no holes in my watch, you know. That's gonna come out of my security deposit, you feel me? So we're gonna play this the easy and safe way. If you enjoyed this content or find it helpful at all, don't forget to hit that like, leave a comment, and subscribe. Alrighty, let's get down to it. Alrighty, let's unplug this light. Let's get my hairdryer set up. And then, okay, let's do this. Had to pause real quick. As you can see, I ripped a little bit of the wall off. It's not too major damage, but ooh, hopefully. Yeah, it's not too bad, but you know, pretty smooth overall so far. Let's continue this. Okay, first layer down, as you can see. Woo! Not too bad at all. Not too bad at all. We still got a lot to go. Woo! Gosh, I am gassed. Let's go. Okay, second layer is down. I'm not gonna lie though, I did cause a little bit of damage, but not too extensive. Hopefully I could just cover that up. But yeah, we got a long ways to go. And and this is honestly taking a lot out of me. It's kind of tiring, but let's keep going. Alrighty, we did it. We did it. I'm not gonna lie. There are a few small damages, but nothing too crazy, I'd say. Like, I feel like I could just cover these up, but I hope. So that's pretty much it. I hope this video was helpful if you were looking to take down your LED strip lights. Personally, for me, I probably should have used the hairdryer method the entire way, but you know, my hands were getting tired and I was really just trying to get this done ASAP. If you did enjoy this, don't forget to hit that like, leave a comment, and subscribe. I'll see you in the next one.